Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix the side brush not spinning on your MOVA V50 Ultra. If your side brush isn't spinning properly, you need to flip the robot over and try to manually rotate it a few times. It's not going to be the easiest task, and you can only rotate it technically you can rotate it anyway, I think. I'm not sure. No, you can only rotate it freely clockwise. Counterclockwise it will lock at some point, as you can see. Now, if something is wrong, then you may need to unscrew it to remove it, and try cleaning any excess hair or debris stuck in there after you unscrew it. You need to unscrew it and pull it towards you to remove it. Then, after it's cleaned, you can put it back on or replace it with a new one if it's worn out. And that should help, basically. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.